Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Hello, everyone. Today is special because we are going to tell you the truth.
The truth? That sounds serious.
It is serious, but it is also good news.
What is the news?
The news is you do not need to study English anymore.
Wait, Sarah, if they don't study, why are they watching this channel?
Because we are not teaching English here, and they are not students.
That is true. I hate the word student. It reminds me of exams and red pens and stress.
Exactly. In this channel, we have a different philosophy.
We call it Snack English.
But Adam, why snack?
Well, imagine a big, heavy meal, like a giant steak or a whole turkey.
Okay.
Can you eat a whole turkey every day?
No, I would get sick. It is too much.
Studying a language is like eating a whole turkey. You try to memorize 100 words. You try to learn all the grammar rules in 1 hour.
And your brain feels full and tired.
Exactly. But a snack is small. A snack is tasty. A piece of chocolate, an apple, a biscuit.
You can eat snacks all day, and you feel happy.
That is how we should learn English. Small moments, small wins throughout the day.
We want you to stop treating English like a subject in school, like math or history.
And start treating it like a lifestyle.
You know, Adam, we are telling them to do this, but we should prove that it works.
How do we prove it?
We should talk about our own lives. We speak English now, but we also speak other languages, right?
That is true.
Tell them about your Portuguese adventure.
Ah, my Portuguese. Eu falo pouco de português.
See, he speaks Portuguese. Adam, did you go to school for that?
Never. I never opened a Portuguese textbook in my life.
So how did you learn?
Well, a few years ago, I lived in Brazil for a few months.
Okay.
When I arrived, I knew 0 words, nothing.
Were you scared?
Terrified. I was hungry. I wanted to eat. I walked into a bakery. The smell was amazing. Cheese bread, pão de queijo.
So what did you do? Did you study the verb to want?
No, I didn't care about the verb to want. I just wanted the bread.
So you used context.
Yes, I pointed, I smiled, I listened to the person next to me. He said, quero I want one.
And you repeated it?
I repeated it like a parrot, quero and guess what happened?
You got the bread?
I got the bread. It was hot and delicious, and I felt like a champion.
That is a snack English moment. You had a need, hunger. You used the language to solve the need. You got a result.
And I remembered that phrase forever because it was connected to the taste of the cheese.
Not connected to a page in a book, connected to life.
Exactly. What about you, Sarah? You have a secret talent too.
Well, I love languages. I speak a little bit of Hindi and a little bit of Arabic.
Arabic? Really? Say something in Arabic.
Yalla.
Yalla. What does that mean?
It means let's go or hurry up.
Yalla. I like it. It has energy.
I learned it from my friends. We were always late, so I heard yalla Sarah, yalla every day.
So you didn't study the grammar of imperative verbs?
No, I just knew that when I hear yalla, I need to run.
That is effective learning.
And for Hindi, I learned it from movies.
Bollywood.
Yes, the music, the dancing, the drama. I wanted to understand the story, so my brain was hungry for the words.
You were not studying, you were enjoying.
Exactly. Namaste, chai, these words became part of my life because I loved the movies.
So friends, look at us. I learned Portuguese to eat cheese bread. Sarah learned Arabic to run fast with her friends.
And she learned Hindi to enjoy movies.
None of this was study. All of it was living.
So if you're watching this and you feel stuck in English, maybe the problem is that you're trying too hard to be a student.
Stop being a student. Start being a user.
But Adam, Sarah, how do I do that? I don't live in America. I don't live in London. That's a good question. Can you live in English if you are in your home country?
Absolutely. You create English moments.
What is an English moment?
It's a small part of your day where you switch your brain.
For example,
Cooking. Everyone cooks, or everyone makes a sandwich.
okay,
Usually, when you make a sandwich, you think about problems or you listen to the news in your language.
true.
Change that. Make the sandwich in English.
You mean talk to the sandwich?
Yes, talk to the sandwich. Say, I'm taking the bread. I'm cutting the cheese. This tomato is red.
It sounds silly.
It is silly. That's why it works. It's fun.
And nobody is grading you. If you call the tomato a red ball, it's okay. You're still using English.
I want to try something with our friends right now.
Yes, let's create a snack moment right now.
I'm ready.
Friends, imagine you're holding a cup of hot tea or coffee.
Close your eyes for a second. Imagine the warmth in your hands.
It is hot.
It is hot. Say that.
It smells good.
It smells good.
I'm relaxing.
I'm relaxing.
Open your eyes.
Congratulations. You just lived a moment in English.
You didn't translate. You connected the words to the sensation: heat, smell, relaxing.
This is what we mean by stop studying.
When you study, you memorize the list: hot, cold, warm.
When you live, you touch the cup and say, hot.
It sticks in your brain better. Happiness is key. When you're happy, your brain opens. When you're stressed, your brain closes.
That is scientific fact. Stress kills language. Fun feeds language.
So, Adam, let's summarize our manifesto for this channel.
Our manifesto. I like that word.
Rule number 1. We don't care about grammar books.
We care about communication. Did you get the apple? Did you get the cheese bread? Success.
Rule number 2. We don't do long lessons. We do snacks.
Small bites. 5 minutes in the morning. 5 minutes with your coffee. 5 minutes in the shower.
Rule number 3. We make mistakes.
Oh yes, mistakes are welcome here.
If you don't make mistakes, you're not trying.
My Portuguese is full of mistakes, but I am full of cheese bread, so I'm happy.
That's the best quote ever. I'm full of cheese bread, so I'm happy.
And rule number 4, we do it together.
Yes, Adam and I are here with you. We're your partners.
We're not your teachers, we're your English buddies.
Your friends who speak English.
So, if you came here looking for a whiteboard,
Or a lecture about the present perfect continuous tense.
you're in the wrong place.
But if you want to laugh,
If you want to relax,
and if you want to suddenly realize, wait, I'm understanding everything.
then you're home.
This is Snack English.
Friends, we have a small task for you today, a tiny snack.
Look around your life today. Find one moment.
Maybe when you open the door. Maybe when you pet your cat. Maybe when you drink water.
Describe it in English. Just one sentence.
The cat is soft. The water is cold.
Say it out loud. Live it.
And tell us in the comments, what was your English moment today?
We love reading your stories.
Remember, you are not studying today. You are living.
Enjoy your snacks, everyone.
And tomorrow, we'll use English in a new, real situation. Watch the next episode. Yalla bye!
Yalla, bye.